So I think for me, a 5H girl who can would probably be my little sister Sophie. She's 7 years old, and she always tells me about her day at school, and I know that she's very, very nice to every kid in school. She stands up to anybody that's mean and helps kids out that are from other countries that don't know how to speak English, and I'm really, really proud of her for that. And she's really, really smart and fun, and she's going to be a very, very strong girl, and I can see that in her already. So.
I'm gonna cry.
Sophie.
I literally want to cry. That's the cutest thing ever. I wish I had an older sister like that.
Go Sophie and go Mila.
Yay.